Hey everybody, Zach Merbach here at CanJam LA, I think it's called, CanJam SoCal. And what we have here is the ZMF Icon and ZMF Atticus. This is the paddock version. One thing I do want to make sure of is that people know this is paddock, and the cherry version is the lighter color because I messed that up on the website. But we have the production version of these are out now that we last showed you with Brian and Audiohead at CanJam RMAF. And the Icon features that biocellulose driver. The Atticus features a polyethylene driver. They've been pretty popular. A lot of people have been really digging the sound of the Icon and Atticus. Want to bring you over to the Deckware amps here now. You'll follow us. And one thing we're going to do coming up that's really neat is we're teaming up with Deckware, which is also out of Illinois, and we're going to offer a ZMF version of both the Deckware CSP3 and the Deckware Taboo Mark IV. The CSP3 is the OTL version of the Deckware amp, and it features a 274B followed by two 6922 stages for the input and gain stage. And it's just a 60 ohm output. It really livens up our headphones because it's got that 300 ohm output. And what we're going to do with Deckware, with both the CSP3 and the Taboo, is we're going to put matching bases to the headphones. They're going to have a little bit of a different shape. We're going to sell a custom tube that I picked out for the rectifier and the input tube. There will be a 274B Western Electric replica going in there. And then the kind of showcase of the Deckware stuff right now is this Taboo Mark IV, which just came out. We're the first people showing it at audio shows. And it's got a lot of cool features. It's got EL84 output tubes. It's got Deckware's proprietary Lucid Mode crossover system, which for the first time there's an amp that instead of just having a crossover that's just a switch, you have a dial that controls the crossover.
Wow.
So you can go anywhere from no crossover all the way to full-on crossover with a dial. So if you want just a little bit of that kind of expansive crossover sound, you got it. You want a lot of it as well, and it's got dual volume knobs, so you want to hear something a little more on one side, you're good to go. And the signal path was really cut down in this amp, so it's such a clean musical sounding amp. Definitely my favorite tube amp of the moment. But yeah, that's what's going on at ZMF right now. And it was good to see everybody in Audiohead land. And thank you, Brian.